Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Coleman SaluSpa 4-person hot tub and 6-pack of filters. The Coleman SaluSpa is an inflatable hot tub that seats 4 people and is completely portable, so you can take it with you on your vacations or relax at home. This hot tub comes with a 6-pack of Bestway spa filter pump replacement cartridges. The hot temperature is perfect for soothing sore muscles or lounging after a long day, and the digital control panel lets you adjust the temperature without having to get out of the tub. The walls are made of durable TriTech material and have sturdy I-beam construction that allows you to sit on the sides of the spa thanks to the superior structural stability. Product benefits. The hot tub inflates within minutes. The rapid heating system quickly heats the water up to a soothing 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Power saving system includes an automatic start-stop timer controlled heating system. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.